Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Homedics Premium Steam Sauna, a portable home spa that brings the relaxing benefits of steam therapy right into your own space. This is designed for anyone who wants soothing heat, muscle relaxation, and better circulation without having to visit an expensive spa or gym. One of the first things people love about it is how compact and lightweight it is. You can easily set it up in a bedroom, apartment, or even a small home gym, making it perfect for beginners who want a simple, at-home wellness upgrade. When it comes to performance, the steam output is steady and comfortable, creating moist heat that feels calming rather than overwhelming. A session of about 10 to 20 minutes is usually enough to promote sweating, ease minor aches, and leave you feeling refreshed. Setup is straightforward. Unfold the sauna tent, place the seat inside, connect the steam generator hose, add water, and let it preheat for a few minutes. The enclosed design helps trap heat effectively, while the included accessories like a head towel add extra comfort. Overall, the Homedics Premium Steam Sauna is a convenient way to enjoy steam relaxation at home, offering an easy self-care routine without the hassle of permanent installation or costly memberships.